Hello, all of you. CA Dipti Chheda here. Welcome to the Concept Classes app community. Hearty welcome, dear students. And thank you so much for trusting us as a teacher and enrolling for this course. So this is the orientation video for CA Foundation students. And let us dive. Listen carefully. This is very important before you start watching all the lectures. Okay. So some guidelines and instructions are there. Before that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is CA Dipti Chheda and I'm into teaching since the year 2000. Since I qualified, since then I'm into teaching. Just very few months I practiced with a CA, and then my passion, my profession, everything is into teaching. So I'm in front of you right now. I teach CA Foundation Accounts, CA Inter Accounts, Tax, Costing and FM. These are my areas, and CA and CMA Final I teach taxation also. So with this vast topics, I can interlink and teach. I can make up the best of bridges. I'm confident about it. You will, in these videos, you will learn all the concepts thoroughly. Some problems are there which are not there, and they're not going to come in the final exam. But they are the concept gripping problem, the concept building problems. Once you are thorough with that, then when you will learn, you will enjoy a host of practical examples so that you get insights on how this is actually used in the market. And as a teacher, my aim is to, when you go out as a qualified CA, you have the concept, the knowledge, the degree as a qualified CA, and you have that practical insights so that you make a very beautiful bridge when you go out in the world, right? So that is what is my mission, my vision, to give the best of the conceptual coaching with best of the practical examples, right? And nothing. Actually, I'm into teaching only. That's my whole time. You may be wondering that so many years, more than 20 years, so do I have COP and all? No. You cannot justify yourself if you're into teaching and if you're into practice. So 100% I'm into teaching only. I myself have got 95 marks in accounts in CA Inter, and some techniques are there which I have applied, and that's what I want to pass on to you all. Okay. So as you start watching these videos, my introduction is over. Do communicate your introduction also as you go through these videos. I'll be taking live classes also to help you out wherever you are stuck up. Like tomorrow, I have a live class for all my app students for CA Inter accounts. So like this, I'll be keeping live classes for you all wherever you are stuck up. Now, as you start watching the videos, I want to share and show you the screen. 1 second, huh? Yeah. So this is the material which you have got in your hand already, right? So now some guidelines. If you follow them, you will really get the best. See, you have already invested your money and you're planning to invest your time also. So to get the best out of the money, time, energy of this video, do follow these instructions. Trust me, they are for your best benefit. So to start with, I always suggest whatever chapter you are watching, watch the videos in sequence. There's some reason. I'm not a teacher who will teach you 1, 2, 3, 4, tomorrow 5, 6. I'm also jumping in the problems in the concept. So every day some concept is taught. Some problems are done very slowly in the class. Till you don't get a grip on the concept, you may be watching some of the videos where to solve one question, I'm taking 1 hour. Second day, same 1 hour, 2 questions. By third day, you will be solving the questions with me. So is this clear to all of you? So please watch the videos all in sequence. Don't jump the videos. Every video is having some concept clarity, some mind mapping, some notes to be taken. Okay. So many times, I pause the class and I ask questions. These are all recording of the live classes. And over the period of experience of teaching, I have made it very slow, and to the best of my pace, I've tried to clear all your doubts, which usually comes. Now, sometimes I'm literally asking question. So even though you are watching it online, make sure that you also try to answer those questions which I'm asking you. Okay, tell me what is the difference between the current account and hypothecation account? Some questions when I'm asking in the class, make sure you try to answer that. Yes, even though it is an online video, when I'll give the answer, no, you will start thinking deep. Something in you will also start questioning कि ma'am ने पूछा. If you are able to answer correctly, your genuine confidence will build up. And if you are not knowing the answer, and then when I give the answer, you come to know, you will learn something new. So it's all win-win. Do take part in the discussions. Yes. Now, I know that most of you who are watching these videos are grown up, but still, I know you are grown up, but still, I feel when we are student, it is very important to learn the concept with the teacher and practice that concept individually, independently, without the help of the teacher. That we'll be doing it in the form of homework. Yes, teaching the concepts clearly, correctly is my duty. Doing homework is your duty. And trust me when I say, आज ये homework try करो, duration लिख के करो, मैम I did till the second journal entry, third नहीं आया छोड़ दिया, fourth तो करो, fifth तो करो. Put your 100% effort. I'm giving a very reasonable homework after a 1.5 hour class, and you'll surely be able to do it. And next day, when I'm discussing the homework in the class, you correct it yourself when I'm solving it in the class. You will build up a superb confidence. Okay? So homework zarur karna, because I'm not going to be standing besides you in the exam, right or not? So homework will make sure that though you have understood the concept, are you able to do it independently? Okay? Right. All right. And do watch when students are asking some doubts in the live class, sometimes only out of 60, 70 students in the live class, only 5 or 6 are asking the doubts. But actually that is the doubt for another 16, 20 students also. They're not asking. So make sure if there are some doubt clearing going on in the live class, trust me, it's very important. I will take care that the class doesn't get diverted by solving only one student's doubts. Okay, right. This is the pumping heart of my coaching, booster notes. When we learn the concept in a chapter, a separate notebook you maintain, I call it booster notebook, where you write all the concepts, formats, what you learn in the regular class. So you maintain 2 notebooks. One notebook to solve all your problem of the accounts, and the second notebook as the booster notebook, wherein you will write all the concepts. Okay, so suppose today is the first class of depreciation, and we have written that SLM, the amount of depreciation is same, and WDV, the rate is same. So this is the point we have written in the booster notes. Booster notes are not printed, dear students. Otherwise, they are in the book, then in your dicky, then in your cupboard, and ऐसे रह जाते हैं. So if I want you to write the booster notes in your mind, as a teacher, I am dictating and you write it, so that when you write it only, you will understand, trust me. And one day before exam, it's not possible to revise the whole syllabus and 30, 40 problems what we have, right? So it will be very easier for you to revise the problems, the formats, and read the booster notes. So आपका पूरा chapter का gist revision हो जाएगा. Clear to all of you? Right. Sometimes I'm also giving flowcharts. So frankly speaking, in accounts exam, you never have to draw flowcharts in the final exam. Yes, but these flowcharts are for you to make, we call it mind mapping. So uske liye hain. So take care that you don't reproduce that in exam. They're just for your learning. Okay, right. And this is something I can just make a request to all of you. Don't just sleep in your bed, और अभी तो ठंड है तो चादर वादर ओढ़ के ऐसे पिलो लगा के हम मूवी नहीं देख रहे थे स्टूडेंट्स. Sit alert on a desk, chair, with your notebook, with your calculator. Use the same calculator which you're going to use in the final exam. An awesome tip I'm giving you, with a water bottle, and be ready to learn it. You will see a quality difference in your learning. You can make accountability partners. Once you join this, you will be added in a WhatsApp group where all the app students are coming together and they are learning. So you can have interactions among yourselves, doubt because before you reach a teacher, mutually you clear doubts of each other. So you are confident that you are able to clear the doubt and someone else is doing it for you. So you if you have accountability in the group only, there's nothing like that. I know because of the atmosphere around and online classes, we are not meeting. But if you can make up accountability partner, चलो हम दोनों 3 दिन में ये videos complete करेंगे, ये करेंगे, nothing like that. Okay, right. Then last but least, I don't want serious students in my class. You see, a lot of fun. We'll be discussing movies, some live examples. Many times, music will be on before I start the class. All that is a part of my teaching. So I don't want any serious students in the class, but yes, sincerity and commitment. Start watching the first video till the 6th video. Be committed कि रोज एक video देखना है. And if you're planning to complete it earlier, you can watch 2 videos in a day and make sure you watch it in sequence. Don't jump कि ये तो मुझे आता है, ये तो मैं 12th में पढ़ा हूँ. Many times it happens, no? CBSE students, they have already learned so many concepts, but there the presentation and all was different, and here it is different. So make sure that you have already paid the fees now, so take the best of the worth of it from me. Anywhere you feel in the video that you have not followed the concept, or you feel, no ma'am, for rectification of errors, we wanted more problems, or we want to discuss the past exam papers, something, anything, you app में ही chat का option है, there itself you can put me a message, and we are connected through Telegram and WhatsApp. You can communicate to me, ma'am, in the 8th video at 20 minutes, whatever you said, I am not clear. Can you please help me? Always there to help you out. Anything more you need in your material, you can contact us through all these social media. Yes. So this was the first part of the orientation guidelines. Anything more you feel I should add? I have improved a lot over years with the true feedback from your students. So do communicate with me if you want to say anything. And now over to the study planner. You know what is the study planner? This is like a mirror for all of you. This is already printed in your material, and this is uploaded in the app videos also. So here I have written the chapter name, topic, number of videos, class material, concept classes material, institutes material, RTP, your past exams papers, actual, and some comment if you want to write. Now see, orientation video. If you have watched, you're watching right now. So you can put a tick here, right? And this is one concept of depreciation. May not be useful now, but जब depreciation करोगे उसके साथ देखना. Paper pattern and all I have put, but I would suggest you to watch little later. Start with the introduction videos. What is accounting cycle? And recent exam, they have asked you 4 marks, 4 terms. And true or false. That was a paper pattern में covered है. 6 true and false. 2 marks each, not just for writing true and false, but write true and false with reasoning. So all that awesomely you'll prepare. Now suppose you have finished accounting concept, class material. Now after watching the video, if you watch institutes material, nothing like that. And over the time, once you, after the journal entry, if you are watching this, pause and in your material do like this. After doing the basic journal entry, do subsidiary books, because that's also a journal entry, cash book. And then you can come and prepare ledger and trial balance. I'll repeat. After journal entry, after the first chapter, do the 4th unit, the 5th unit, then back to journal and trial balance. Okay? Remaining like rectification of error, BRS, then this you all can do in sequence. Inventory, depreciation, bills of exchange. Average due date and account current since years, it's a challenge. You check my material and you check past 4 5 exams, exactly same problem you will find. Sometimes figures also same. So all quality good problems are picked up with the level of the, considering the level of the professional exams, and there is no cutoff ki nahi average due date 3 class mein complete hona hai. If you feel ma'am we want more videos on this, do let me know. Always ready to add on and do the best for you all. Do issue of shares and debentures last, and then last do watch the concluding videos. Any suggestions for making this planner also better? This I have made it how I used to make my own planner when I was a student from 95 to 2000. हमारे ज़माने में. Okay. Now you may be wondering why these extra columns. Once you have finished, like inventory is over, my material. After that, bills of exchange is over, and after that you have watched institute's lecture also. अच्छा चलो, bills of exchange you have started doing ICS material, but you did only till 4th problem, then some wedding function. So put a stick on over there, done till 4th. Okay, right. And then at least, are you able to solve some problem of the sale of goods from the past exams? If yes, then you can put a tick here. RTPs have you covered? Yes. This RTP and MTP, you can make a separate table below here and write 4 attempts RTPs and MTPs, and some remarks pending or whatever you want to write, you can write. So go according to the planner. Planner mein I want to say after doing mean ye, put a tick mark here in your material also. Meaning and scope, accounting concept, capital and revenue. After that, directly start journal entry. Frankly, I'm saying you can put ये सब theory भी पढ़ना है, but at the time if you do all theory, it will be very meticulous और थोड़ा boring होगा आपके लिए. So after doing basic 3 chapters in your meaning and scope, accounting concept, capital and revenue, and then directly you can watch all these videos till your issue of debentures, and later come back and watch these theory. Of course, these videos are necessary. Theory questions are coming from accounting standards and basic knowledge of what Ind AS is there and all. But like any time, कभी कभी काफी practical कर लिया, average due date चलो एक theory कर लेते. So this you keep as an option to do it later. After doing these 3 chapters till capital and revenue expenditure, directly start with the journal. This is my suggestion so that you enjoy theory, practical. फिर काफी practical करने के बाद यहाँ कहीं you can keep doing the theory chapters, all these. Okay, I hope you understood all the guidelines and all the planner, how to use planner. And accounts is a beautiful subject, not because I like it and I'm teaching you. I'm telling you, dear students, trust me, December 21 na CA Inter ka paper jaake dekho. They have asked one question, they have given some transaction and they have asked to make accounting equation, assets is equal to liabilities plus capital, in this format you make. So this is a hierarchy. If you understand at foundation level depreciation properly, you will be able to do company final accounts in the Inter. You will be able to do consolidated final accounts of holding and subsidiary in the final. If you understand now the basic names of accounting standards, you will learn it in depth. And in final, you have all IFRS. Did you get my point? So please don't aim to use these videos kaise bhi karke ma'am 200 marks dila do. No, foundation is like actually foundation of your career. So make a super base, enjoy BRS, the way points are written, the way I'm giving you booster notes, and last 2 problems of BRS I've just given practically how you prepare BRS. This is the bank statement, this is your bank account in your books. Chalo, tick maro. Whatever you have passed the entry, is it there? Yes. Entries which are unticked, they will come in BRS, and how you will prepare BRS practically. Literally, when students go and work in the articleship, they say कि किसने सिखाया आपको ये. I'm not boosting myself. I want to say when you go in the field for articleship, for your job, You should know the concept and the theory, and you should also know the practical aspects. Right or not? So make the best of this videos. Get set. Start with your first video of the accounts right now. All the best to you, and me and my team is always there to support you wherever you need assistance. All the best. Thank you so much. Signing off now. CA Dipti Chheda here. Bye bye.